Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install CubeSuite. First, click the link in the description to head to the download page for CubeSuite. Next, enter 0 into the price box and click the I want this button. Then, enter your email address and click Get. You'll now see a page that says your purchase was successful. Click the Download CubeSuite button. Save the .zip file anywhere on your PC. I recommend your desktop or documents though. Once the file has been downloaded, right click it and select Extract All. Then click Extract in the window that opened. Once this is done, a folder will open that contains the program CubeSuite Installer. Run this and allow it to make changes to your computer. This is necessary for the installer to work. Click the Install button. If you have used a previous version of CubeSuite, you may need to find your old data file to carry your solves over to this version. You'll only ever have to do this once. If you know where you install CubeSuite, click the Yes button and navigate to your installation and the solves.db file in that folder. Otherwise, click the No button and the installer will try and find it for you. You will now be asked if you want to create a desktop shortcut, and then if you want to add CubeSuite to the start menu. I'd highly recommend selecting Yes to at least one of these options. If you choose No to both, you can run CubeSuite from the folder C, Program Files, CubeSuite. Once you have answered both these questions, CubeSuite will be installed. You'll then be asked if you want to view CubeSuite's tutorials, which I recommend. Lots of common questions and issues can be answered by watching these videos.